I like it, but because you don't cook with like a lot of salt.
You need salt.
I would have preferred some salt to be on the zucchini.
It is, well, it's
but everything else, I mean, it's good. It's good. I just need salt. It's good. I need salt and pepper though.
It's good.
What you put on? See, now you got to stop making this stuff. But this is healthy, I think.
Yeah, for the most part, yeah.
Okay. It's good.
You shocked like me too? I was shocked too.
I like the zucchini.
See?
And what is this other stuff?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nya Be. If you are new to this channel, welcome, which will be everybody because it's the very first video. Oh my gosh. So if you followed me and watched my videos about about a year or so ago, and you're back now, welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me. And if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, welcome to the Nya Be Knowing family. I currently dropped the knowing because people really be thinking I be knowing stuff, and it's a lot of stuff I don't know. So I just, humbly just dropped the knowing, and now I'm Nya Be. What's up? So this will be a channel dedicated to Nya Be cheffin and all of the food related things. I may do some mukbangs eventually, but yeah, welcome to the channel. So for the very first video, I'm going to introduce to you a segment I'm going to call Butchered. And I tried to find another name, but Butchered just seemed interesting, so I'm keeping it. And if you're familiar with the show Chopped, then it's very similar. The only thing is that I'm going to use a letter generator, and I'm going to pick 5 letters. And based off those letters, I'm going to create a meal using ingredients that start with those letters. Yeah, so for the first video, the letters that were generated are J, Z, K, T, G. And actually, this is the second one. The first one I did, I got like A, U, H, T, E, and that was a little too hard for me right now for the very first video, but I will do it eventually. But I have J, Z, K, T, G, and so I am going to get jam, zucchini, tomatoes, key limes, and goat cheese. I'm not really sure what I'm going to make from that. I'm pretty sure I'll have to use other ingredients just like they use on Chopped. But I tried not to make it too difficult for the very first episode. Now, as we go on, it's going to get harder and more crazy. But this is just for the very first video. So I'm going to go to the grocery store, and y'all are going to come with me. So I made it to Walmart. I'm waiting for them to bring out my groceries. I did see that they had to substitute my pizza sauce from I think it's called Classico Signature or something. And they substituted with ragu. Who uses ragu? Ragu is the most disgusting pasta sauce, pizza sauce, whatever that I've ever tasted. But, it's nothing a little seasoning can't fix. Y'all, that was a lot of work. But I got it done. Excuse me, I look real dusty. My hair and brush, I've been sweating and stuff. But we got it done. And I don't know. We just gonna see how it turn out because baby, I don't know. So let's taste it. Who knew goat cheese didn't melt? If you knew that, leave me alone, okay? Lord Jesus, please let it be good. It look good, but baby. Let me back up. Why I'm so close to the camera? Hold on. Now you done did some, girl. Hold on. Wait a minute. Y'all. Hold on, let me get a piece of that little tomato. That sun-dried tomato. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. This is so good. Let me set y'all back a little bit. Y'all on my personal space. This is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. This is absolutely delicious. Like that sauce made me a little bit nervous because I don't think I've ever cooked with apple cider vinegar before. And ever since I came out with saucy drip, I've been wanting to do like a strawberry vinaigrette. Woo! If you have a problem with that word, comment in the comment section. That is if you know how to spell it, because baby, trying to spell vinaigrette, it's a little tough. Anyway, so I've been wanting to make a strawberry vinaigrette for a long time. Ever since I came with saucy drip, and I thought that I had put too much apple cider vinegar in there because the smell was so vinegary. But I guess it's supposed to be for vinaigrette. I don't know, but so I was a little nervous about the sauce. I mean, making the stuffed zucchini, I think that I would have preferred to gut out the zucchini first and then put the filling inside of it like an actual boat. So if I make this again, which I'm sure I will because this is absolutely delicious, I would do that. What else would I change? I will put more spinach. Y'all saw how I ain't have enough spinach. I mean, I had a whole bag. I just didn't want to add any more to the pan. Y'all, this is my first time having goat cheese. Goat cheese is busting, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think that I would add a little bit more key lime juice to the sauce to kind of offset that vinegar taste, even though key limes is vinegary. Good Lord. I think I would add some more key lime juice. I don't think I put enough. And I think that I would sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Since the goat cheese is already inside the filling, I probably could have did a different cheese on top, like maybe a mozzarella or that's so basic though. Well, Parmesan is kind of basic too. I don't know what kind of cheese I would put on top, but I mean it's good like this. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my dinner. Oh, before I say that, so usually people use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, you know, grounded up meat for this. The reason why I did shrimp is because I tried to limit how far or how many days I'm not pescatarian, because I'm primarily pescatarian, but sometimes, you know, I eat chicken and turkey sometimes. So I wanted to do shrimp instead to make this a pescatarian dish. Because I wouldn't use ground beef anyway. I don't do beef and pork. Beef mess my stomach up and pork just mess my body up. No. Anyway, so if you do this at home and you do eat the other meats, sorry y'all, this food good. I can't even concentrate on talking for real. I don't know how people do mukbangs. I don't know how people do mukbangs, because I be trying to eat. Like, I don't really be trying to discuss nothing. But y'all, this is really good. And I know y'all probably like, how many times she gonna say that? Or all right now, who you trying to convince type thing. But no, this is really good. I think I'm just more so shocked that it's good, because I've never done anything like this before, and I've used ingredients I've never used before. So yeah, if you're the type of person that eats the other meats, then I would suggest making like a, you know, you make the base for spaghetti before you put the sauce in. So if you make homemade spaghetti and like you do your onions, your peppers, blah blah blah, that's basically it. And I was talking smack about that ragu pizza sauce, but I told y'all there ain't nothing that a little seasoning can't fix, okay? Because even when I should have filmed me opening that jar. Ragu, I just can't do ragu. Like, to me, the best pasta, like store-bought pasta sauce, is Classico or not Newman's, not Newman owned. I can't think of the maybe Bertolli. Y'all, the goat cheese by itself, it has like a it tastes similar to ricotta, which I don't really like, but I like this, so I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, so okay, let me close out this video so I can eat the last 3 bites. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed episode 1 of Nya Be Choppin. I will upload this once a week, and I will try to excuse me, I would try to upload other videos in between eventually, but you know, this is gonna be an adjustment for me. I'm already a busy person as it is, but I feel like this would be a great and fun way to do something that I love. And I like YouTube. I like doing YouTube, but I couldn't really find my niche when I first started. So I was doing like pranks and like different moments. I think I did makeup tutorial, skincare, and I think what I really loved when I was doing YouTube back then was that I did the support your local artist Saturdays, which I think I still may do that, but just make it like a mukbang, but it still be like support your local artist Saturdays, because I think it was really cool. It gave people a different platform. Not saying that I have a lot of followers, because I don't, but it was really cool to see the support from the community for them. So I think I may bring that back. It's just gonna be, instead of song association, we may talk about different foods and stuff like that. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video on social media platforms. Make sure that you follow all of our social media down below, and comment some foods you know you think I should try, or some like different things I should do on the channel, or stuff that you just want to see, you know. Let me know so I could keep the content desirable, if that's the word. Yeah, bye. Swing my way.